What can customers expect when they work with Immaculate Cleaning and James Barnes?
You talk about
What they gonna get? What they gonna get? What
absolutely.
They gonna get?
This is a sales pitch right here.
Hey, thanks for joining American Trade for the second half of our talk with the founder of Immaculate Cleaning, James Barnes. James shares how one of his early ventures in high school provided the foundational skills and the confidence to start a world-class business like Immaculate Cleaning. Let's see how it went.
I can remember, a few of my friends and we had a pretty successful business venture in high school. We were selling candy, but once I graduated, just took those same basic principles of running a business, right? The marketing and advertising, the financials, and just took those and played with it on a larger scale, so to speak. When the Immaculate Cleaning Company was founded, it was just me and my vision to build a company that was respected in my community, had a positive impact on my community, and a company that created opportunities for economic empowerment in my community as well. To successfully grow a business, everybody's goals have to align, or everybody has to see the greater vision, of the company in order to grow, successfully. As a leader in business, right, it's tough to get everybody on the same page at times. So if you accomplish that, I think that you'll, see growth within your organization for sure. We want to maintain a professional, family-oriented environment where we look out for one another and come together as a team to accomplish our goals.
What can customers expect when they work with Immaculate Cleaning and James Barnes?
You talk about
what they gonna get? What they gonna get? What they gonna get when they come through the door?
This is a sales pitch right here. Cleaning is cleaning, right? So what sets us apart, like I said, is our ability to be innovative, training our staff and relationships. So when you get Immaculate Cleaning, you get me, right? You get a personalized plan for your facility. We also want to bring that community engagement aspect to our customers as well. Right now, we actually clean the Rocket Mortgage Fieldhouse, but we don't stop at just that. We actually partner with them to go out in the community to find ways to give back as well.
What type of opportunity is here for those seeking employment with Immaculate Cleaning Company?
Man, it's a lot of opportunity here, but I want to say most importantly, the opportunity for growth. We like to invest in our people, so to speak. We put some managers through training to kind of increase their knowledge of, management, specifically to this field. But there's also things you can take out and, if you choose to do other things, you can take it and use it in other fields as well.
Working at Immaculate Cleaning is like working with family. The team here is just really inviting and warm, and you feel at home here.
We offering programs as well for some of our management to purchase homes, so we want to create a lifestyle change versus just, a typical 9-to-5 type of setup.
All right, when can I apply for that job? When can I get in there, James?
Look, we need as many people as possible. Go to our website, immaculateCleaningohio.com, fill out an application. We'll be happy to have you on our team for sure.
Excellent.
My name is James Barnes. I am president of Immaculate Cleaning, and I am American Trade.
If you like this, please make sure to like and subscribe. And please don't forget to share with at least 6 people.